Hey guys, what's up? And today we're doing a video of a new game that I've started. It's called Cooking Fever. Yeah. So let's get started. There's achievements. You get gold to upgrade your kitchen and stuff. You can upgrade like your mustard and ketchup later in the game so that you'll get more money. It's cool. It's cool. And also, I have a ton of other games that I'm gonna start new on the YouTube on this channel, like a game called Mutant Fighting Cup. Just wanna. Oh dear. Please, just. It's really stressing. Also, if you saw the people wearing Easter stuff, cause right now it's 2016 and it's really close to Easter, so they play Easter stuff. Yeah. So they're wearing stuff like chicks and she's not really wearing anything. That Easter. What she's wearing is a bow. You know, she's a girl, so what could you expect her to wear? This is sorry. This is just really stressing. And if you hear anything else, sorry, my brother and my sister are watching something on our TV. So, no, can't do anything about it. Oh, my current balance is actually 170. Oh, 710. Cola dispenser upgrade. That's gonna make the cola dispenser go faster, I'm pretty sure. Anything I can upgrade. Hamburger tabletop. I really need it. I really need it. Oh. 3 stars. I actually used to play this. Please try and ignore that. Just really, please try and ignore it. Sorry if I don't talk a lot. This game is pretty stressing, just so you know. It's hard because you've got to go fast. Do a lot of stuff really fast. You gotta do a lot. Like, as you can see in the background, at the tables, you can upgrade the tables. There can also be TVs, speakers, and stuff like that. Well, anyways, a lot of these people are wearing Easter stuff. Not all of them, but a lot. Most. I'm good at it, but it's really stressing. Just be like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? That. What do I do? What do I do? It's just really almost got one. You're gonna want it. Oh wait, no, that's fine. You want it. I knew you would want cola. You want cola? Please don't. I'm gonna wait until, you'll get it. You'll get your drink and sorry if I'm talking really quietly. It's just because. Sorry again. It's just because it's really stressing. Oh, I didn't have that cooking. Why? I'm sorry again. It's just stressing. Because you're like, who do I feed? Okay, so I'm finished. It's only level 3 and it's hard. Also I'm gonna download. If you know a new game, it's not 100% new, but it's kind of new. I'm pretty sure it's pretty new. I think it's pretty new, and it's called Walled Seth. I'm not 100% sure if it's actually. I'm not 100% sure if it's it's just like I don't even know what I was about to say, but I don't know how, like when it was made there. Well, messed up my song. You can put it right there. Yeah. I'm actually really good at this game, but then again, it's really hard. Oh yeah, you drink. Sorry about that, dude. Dude, man, yo. Oh. Please, someone coming over to a hot dog. Just like, oh, a hot dog, someone. This is gonna burn. just gonna, keep it. Yeah. I don't want it to burn. Somebody order a hot dog already. This is new. Oh, the. Order a hot dog, someone. Okay. I basically knew that I was gonna. And at the last second, of course, someone wants hot dog. Hot dogs. The last second, someone wants a hot dog. Yeah, got all the stars. Ta-da! And I got 8 gems, not 8 coins. If I only had 8 coins, I would be like, what the what? Oh, it's okay. It's at 100%. I don't need it. Oh, this been so cold. Hot dog buns, sauce. I can get that. And okay. I should be able to finish this last level. I'll probably be able to finish about in each episode of this. I'll probably be able to finish about 5 things. Oh, come on. Now I have new dog. I have hot dogs now, but nobody wants hot dogs. Nobody wants hot dogs. Okay, so thank you. Oh. Yeah, guys, this is like extremely stressed. I'm sorry if you hear me like or something like that. It's just like extremely stressing. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's really like, it feels like it's like the end of the world. Really, if I don't. Yeah, so we said, why does everybody want drinks? I've got everything else, but everybody wants drinks. And yeah, that's it for today's episode. See you next time. Again, I'm going to be playing a ton of other games, so be sure to check those out. Later, guys. Bye.